Good morning, this is Fiorella Jose. I'm Sonia from Any House Cleaning. Today they hired us to do the master bedroom, the master shower. It's a brand new house right here in Champions Gate. The thing is there is 2 master bedrooms upstairs and another single bedroom upstairs too. The owner of the house rent the master bedroom, so they share the house. Someone was living in this area, the master bedroom with the shower, for 1 year, and before renting to another person, he wants to sanitize and clean the carpet. It's in really good shape, however he wants to do the right way, right? Have everything clean for the next tenant. There is a big closet and the shower. You can see the mineral deposit. We are gonna remove and make this shower so pretty. The floor is really bad shape. The condition of the shower, yellow. Now we're gonna clean it really good. I'm gonna do a zoom right now here. Some ugly stuff. Yellow. So this is the job for today. Vacuum, clean this whole bathroom. Also here, this kind of hallway or the common areas of the carpet. Do not enter in this room because separate people live in this house, brand new house. And do the stairs. It's another bedroom. So we bring in our stuff and we're gonna start cleaning. This is how we are gonna clean. You cannot see well. Let's go. Now I'm rinsing. Now we're gonna scrub again the floor, the tile wall, and scrubbing the floor. Sonia is dusting the blinds. In the meantime, Jose already vacuumed all the carpet and he's spraying the product and scrubbing the carpet with our Phonics orbital machine. I always talk about this scrubber. It's amazing. And you can call us at 407-572-4118. The shower is done. You cannot see watermarks. The mirror is done. We need to mop. The toilet. Everything is clean, no dust. We are inside the shower. The floor is good. We are removing all our things. Shiny, clean, brown. No orange, no mineral deposits. No yellow. Perfect. We have to do the floor. Baseboards. This area is done, the carpet. We're drying the carpet. Vacuuming the stairs, and Sonia is scrubbing upstairs. We're almost done. Falta aquí.
¿Cómo?
Me falta este pedacito.